Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by opening an app that summons the keyboard. You need it visible to change modes. Pinch the full keyboard inward with 2 fingers. This compresses it into the floating mini keyboard. If nothing happens, check Settings, General Keyboard, and confirm Split Keyboard is disabled, then update iPad OS if available. You do this because software conflicts or outdated firmware often block gestures, so resolving those first makes the next steps predictable and fast. Once the keyboard is floating, tap and hold the little grab handle, then move it where you need it, near the text field or away from content. To resize, pinch out to expand or pinch in to shrink. This adjusts layout and thumb reach. Make sure to type a few characters while moving, because some apps change focus or revert to full keyboard. If that happens, reposition closer to the text input and repeat the pinch gesture slowly to lock it in place. To finish, dock the keyboard by dragging it to the bottom or tapping the keyboard down arrow. Alternatively, pinch outward to restore the full keyboard. If it won't dock, force close the app and reopen it because app-level bugs often block keyboard state changes. When problems persist, restart the iPad, and if that fails, reset keyboard settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPad. If gestures still misbehave, install the latest iPad OS update to resolve firmware-level bugs.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.